in this video we'll create a .java file and we'll write the main function and we'll run that. So we'll use the normal plain editor. You can use Eclipse, you can use BlueJ, and you can use NetBeans, that whatever you can, like whatever you want, but I'll use any like normal text editor, Sublime or Notepad. Now you have to click on view at first. So you just click on view and please like click on file, just enable file name with extension. You have to enable that. Okay, so we have enabled file name with extension. Now what you have to do, you have to create a .java file. So I'm clicking into new text document and we'll write our first Java file. Suppose I am writing hello.java. See, we have created our first Java file. Now we'll write the codes. See, okay, so see now, so we are like we'll open that in the Sublime text editor, open with Sublime text, and we write the codes. Now you can see that hello Java is there. So now what you have to write for any Java, like what you have to write at first for writing any Java file, you have to write public class and your class name. So what public is, we'll talk about that later. So in Java, like there are many things that you can like explain in the first video. Public class, then hello. Okay, so whenever you are writing any Java file, you have to write everything within your class file. Whenever you are writing any Java codes, any functions, any data type, any variables, you have to write everything within your Java code. Now see, we have written our public class hello. Now within that we'll write the main function. So in C, what you need, what is your main function? That is int main, right? So int main or void main. But in Java, that is public static void main. We will write public static void main and string args. So what is the string args? We'll also talk about that later. So in Java, what I said, that you cannot explain everything. What is public, what is this keyword class, what is static, what is void, main, string, args, we can't talk about that. So we'll just write a code, we'll just run that code and we'll see what is the output that we'll get. So we have written our first code. So I will like upload everything on my GitHub. You can go to my GitHub and clone all those codes. Now public class hello, within that we have written a main function. So for Java, our main function is public static void main, and you have to write string args within the parameters. So let's run this code. So I am just opening CMD. So now we'll see one file is there, right? Only one file is there, that is hello.java. Now in my previous video, what I have told, that your Java, at first you have to compile your Java file, that your .java file will be gets converted into bytecode, that is .class file. Now what we have to do, we have to convert our .java file into the bytecode. See, now I am writing, for converting that you need javac hello.java. You see this carefully, in this folder I have only one file, that is hello.java. I am clicking enter. See, hello.class is generated, right? Hello.class is generated. So this is the class file. So this class file is platform independent. You just take it, this class file in anywhere, in Linux, in Mac, it will run. Now we have compiled our Java code successfully. There is no compilation error. Now what we'll do, we'll run this file. So for running Java file, what is the command? That is Java. Then you just write your class name, that is hello. You just have to write your class name, not hello.class. You have to write Java hello. I'm clicking enter. See, nothing is there because we haven't printed anything. So what you have to write at first, you have to write public class, your class name. Your class name could be anything. It could be hello, it could be xyz, it could be srk or anything, right? And your main function should be same. It will be public static void main, and within that you have to write string args. So whatever we'll write here, that will be printed in our console. So in the next video we'll talk about that, how to print a line, how to print hello world in our Java file. Thank you.